Okay, so today we're going to have the last lesson for this book, Galaxy 2-4, finally. Yay! Alright, so let's now start. Are you ready? Okay, let's go to Act and Say. Please turn your books on page 99 and let's start. Alright, I'm going to play it once, twice, listen, and then repeat. Let's start.
Place plates on the table.
Okay, one more time.
Place plates on the table.
Now let's repeat.
Place plates on the table.
Place plates on the table. Right, next.
Fold a napkin and place it on the plate.
One more time.
A napkin and place it on the plate.
Now let's repeat after the computer.
Fold a napkin and place it on the plate.
Fold the napkin and place it on the plate. That's right, next.
Place forks to the left of the plate.
One more time.
Forks to the left of the plate.
Okay, now let's repeat after the computer.
Place forks to the left of the plate.
Place forks to the left of the plate. Very good, next.
Place a knife to the right of the plate.
Again.
A knife to the right of the plate.
One last time.
Place a knife to the right of the plate.
Place a knife to the right of the plate. Very good. Next.
Grab the knife with your right hand.
Okay, one more time.
The knife with your right hand.
One last time.
Grab the knife with your right hand.
Grab the knife with your right hand. Very good. Next.
Hold the fork with your left hand.
One more time.
Hold the fork with your left hand.
Again.
Hold the fork with your left hand.
Okay, one last time.
Hold the fork with your left hand.
Hold the fork with your left hand. Okay, very good. Next.
Meat with the fork.
One more time.
Hold the meat with the fork.
Now after the computer.
Hold the meat with the fork.
Hold the meat with the fork. All right, next.
Meat with the knife and eat.
One more time.
Cut the meat with the knife and eat.
One last time.
Cut the meat with the knife and eat.
Okay, now together.
Meat with the knife and eat.
Cut the meat with the knife and eat. Very good. All right, next.
Place one chopstick between your thumb and index finger.
One more time.
Place one chopstick between your thumb and index finger.
Again.
One chopstick between your thumb and index finger.
Now after the computer.
Place one chopstick between your thumb and index finger.
Place one chopstick between your thumb and index finger. Very good. Next.
Rest the tip of the chopstick on your ring finger.
Okay, one more time.
Rest the tip of the chopstick on your ring finger.
Okay, now let's repeat after the computer.
Rest the tip of the chopstick on your ring finger.
Rest the tip of the chopstick on your ring finger. Okay, next.
Hold the other chopstick between your thumb and index finger.
Okay, one more time.
Hold the other chopstick between your thumb and index finger.
Okay, now let's repeat after the
Hold
computer.
the other chopstick between your thumb and index finger.
Hold the other chopstick between your thumb and index finger. Good. Next.
Hold the food firmly with the chopsticks.
One more time.
Hold the food firmly with the chopsticks.
Again.
Hold the food firmly with the chopsticks.
Hold the food firmly with the chopsticks. Very good. Next. Okay. Now, these are all the expressions that we have learned from Unit 1 to Unit 4. Now, let's do it real quick. One more time. Ready? Start. Place plates on the table. Very good. Next. Fold a napkin and place it on the plate. Good job. Next. Place forks to the left of the plate. Nice! Next, place a knife to the right of the plate. Good. Next, grab the knife with your right hand. All right, very good. Next, hold the fork with your left hand. Okay, next. Hold the meat with the fork. Very good. Next. Cut the meat with the knife and eat. Good job. Next. Place one chopstick between your thumb and index finger. Good. Next. Rest the tip of the chopstick on your ring finger. Good. Next. Hold the other chopstick between your thumb and index finger. Very nice. Next. Hold the food firmly with the chopsticks. Good job. Okay, that's very good. All right, now let's answer the exercises in page 99. Okay, wait a second. All right. Okay, so this is what's in your book, right? Okay, so let's look here at the picture. And where are they? Where is the settings? Right, they're in a restaurant. And you can see they're all very busy eating or doing the table setting or cleaning up or having dinner alone, right? Okay, and there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to here. Now what you need to do is write the correct number to the sentences. That describes the picture. Alright, I'm going to give you 3 minutes to do that. You can start writing your answers now. I guess you're done? Okay, now let's check your answers. Alright, what is the first one? Cut the meat with the knife and eat. What's the answer? That's number 1. Very good. That is number 1. Okay, let's read this together. Hold the meat with the fork. Where is that? Hold the meat with the fork. Where is this person holding? It has to be number 9. That's right. It's number 9. Okay. Next, let's go to this one. Hold the food firmly with the chopsticks. Hold the food firmly with the chopsticks. Where is it? It's number... Okay, right here. It's number 6. Very good. Next. Place forks to the left of the plate. Place forks to the left of the plate. Where is your left again? So this is your left hand. Where is it? It's number 3 because he's holding the forks over here, right? It's number 3. Okay, next. Place a knife to the right of the plate. Where is that? Place a knife to the right of the plate. It's number 5. Very good. Okay, next, let's read. Fold a napkin and place it on the plate. Where is that? Very good. It's number 2. It's right over here. Okay? Next, hold your fork with your left hand. Hold your fork with your left hand. Where is that in the picture? Number 8. Good. All right. And the last one. Hold the other chopstick between your thumb and index finger. Where is that? Number... I cannot see. Number 4. Right here. This guy is holding his chopsticks. Number 4. So are you all correct? Good job. Okay, now let's go to the next page, 100, and let's practice Pictionary. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's look at the picture. Look at his face. Isn't he so cute? Okay, what is he eating here? It's lemon. Do you like lemons? I love lemons too. All right, now let's practice this expression. Listen and repeat.
Sour.
One more time.
Sour.
Again.
Sour.
Sour. One more time. Sour. Very good. Next. All right, what is this? It's a ball, actually. It's very hard. It's not common to find this kind of ball anymore because usually we still have this kind of rubber balls, but this kind of rubber is not common anymore, I think, right? All right. Now, what is this word? Let's listen.
Rubber.
One more time.
Rubber.
Okay, now let's repeat.
Rubber.
Rubber. Again. Very good. Next. All right. What is this? Okay. Yeah, right. This is an ice cube. Okay, but the word that we're gonna learn is not ice cube. It's what is happening to this ice cube, and that is
Melt.
one more time.
Melt.
Again.
Melt.
Melt. One more time. Very good. Next. Oh, wow. Okay, what do you see here? Okay, I guess it snowed when they took this photo, and so it is.
Freeze.
One more time.
Freeze.
Freeze. It's freezing out here. Okay, you see ice everywhere. Let's say it one more time. Freeze. Very good. Next. All right, can you see the picture very well? Okay, what is this called? It's
Iron.
one more time.
Iron.
Iron. Again. Iron. Good job. Next. All right. So this is what happens to iron after a long while or when it gets wet. The word is
Rusty.
one more time.
Rusty.
Rusty. Good job. Next. All right. What is this?
Sugar.
One more time.
Sugar.
Now repeat.
Sugar.
Sugar. All right. I like sugar. Do you like sugar? Okay. Next. Oh, what happened here? Okay, this is bubble gum, right? I think it's bubble gum, and the gum is actually
Sticky. Sticky.
one more time.
Sticky.
Again.
Sticky.
Say it. Sticky. Very good. Next. All right. Let's do it again and say all the words one more time. Ready? Start. Sour. Rubber. Melt. Freeze. Iron. Rusty. Sugar. Sticky. That's it. All right. Now let's go to the bottom part, the quiz me. Get your pencil. Okay, so for this part, I'm going to say the word, and you can write if this is O or X, okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's start with number 1, sugar. I repeat, sugar. Next, number 2, rusty. Rusty. Number 3, melt. Melt. Number 4, rubber. Rubber. Number 5, freeze. Freeze. Okay, so the first one I said sugar, that is O. Number 2, what did I say? Rusty, but this is not rusty, this is iron, right? So this is X. Number 3, what did I say? I said melt. Is this melting? Right. And number 4, I said rubber, so this is also O. And the last time I said freeze, it is not freeze, the answer is X. Are you all correct? All right, good job then. Okay, so since we're done with the act and say and the Pictionary, this is the most important part, all right? Say plus. This is when we practice expressions, all right? So here is what we're going to learn today. Repeat after me. What happens, one more time, what happens to milk when it's warm? What happens to milk when it's warm? Again, faster now. What happens to milk when it's warm? Very good. Next, milk turns, one more time, milk turns sour. Milk turns sour when it's warm. Again, milk turns sour when it's warm. Good job. All right, and another example is, what happens to water? What happens to water when it's cold? What happens to water when it's cold? Water freezes when it's cold. One more time. Water freezes when it's cold. Okay, good job. Now let's look at the pictures here. Okay, so this example, okay. Alright, you know that, you guys know what to do already, right? Later, you have to write here the questions and then the answer, alright? Let's just take number 1, okay, as an example. So first, you have to write here the question. What is the question? What do you see in the picture? Right, you see snow, right? And the weather is warm. And so what happens to snow? Okay, so what is the question again, guys? How do we ask that? What happens to snow when it's warm? That's right. What happens to snow when it's warm? What is the answer? Snow, instead of water, you can write snow melts when it's warm. Should I write that for you guys? Okay, wait. So the question is, okay, what happens to snow when it's warm? Snow, the answer is snow melts when it's warm. Okay, again, what happens to snow when it's warm? Snow melts when it's warm. Very good. Now maybe you say, teacher, I don't want to write it because it's too long. I know that. It gets really annoying to write the sentences, the questions, and the answers, but it will be a very good practice for you if you write the questions and the answers, okay? All right, thank you. Okay, now let's go to, okay, after you finish writing this, the next page is step up. Okay, let's go to step up now. Okay, now the part of step up, page 103, is not here in my page. So if you just look here in the picture, you have to write the correct answer, okay? Look at the sentence, match it with the correct picture, with the correct photo. All right, guys? Okay. And for the last part, here's the instruction, the writing. What happens in each season? Choose one season, then draw and say. All right, now let's take this for example. What is the season? Spring. What happens in the spring? The weather gets warm in spring. Snow and ice melt when it's warm. Ground gets soft and grass goes green. Bears and frogs wake up from a long winter sleep. All right, now you choose here your favorite season. It can be winter, spring, summer, or fall. You can do spring again if you want that. And take this as an example. So if you choose, for example, summer, the weather gets hot in summer. Okay, now you have to write here what happens to the trees and the animals and the ground. Okay, please write at least 5 sentences. Okay, at least 5 sentences. All right. Okay, I think that is all for today. today. Have a nice day. Bye.